Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Sarah, and I'll be teaching you Al Madina book for the non-native speakers of Arabic. So basically what I will be doing in these videos is to cover the lesson with translation, and I'll cover also the grammatical rule that is talking about. So the first lesson I will be doing the rule and the reading, and then I will do the first exercise, and then I will let you do the second exercise on your own. So number 1, الدرس الأول, the first lesson. هذا. In this lesson we will talk about this, how to say this is a, and the noun. So I'm gonna read the noun first, I'm gonna translate them, and then I will read them as a whole. بيت, a house. مسجد, a mosque. باب, a door. كتاب, a book. قلم, a pen. مفتاح, a key. I'll read the full sentences and I will give you some time to repeat. هذا بيت. هذا مسجد. هذا باب. هذا كتاب. هذا قلم. هذا مفتاح. Okay, the translation now. This is a house. This is a mosque. This is a door. This is a book. This is a pen. This is a key. So, the point here is this, or هذا in Arabic, is used to refer to something that is singular. Okay? So whenever you are referring to something, it's exactly the same as this, singular and direct. Okay? Let's continue. هذا مكتب. This is a desk. Repeat. هذا مكتب. هذا سرير. This is a bed. هذا كرسي. Okay. Okay. And now we will move to ask, what is this? Number 1. ما هذا? What is this? هذا بيت. This is a house. Repeat. ما هذا? هذا بيت. أهذا بيت؟ أهذا بيت؟ Okay, you can notice this in the beginning of the phrase or the question, which is exactly like when you use the, let's look at this, is exactly like yes or no question. So whenever you are saying, is this a, or are these, okay, and the noun after. So this is exactly as a. When you use a in the first of the sentence of the question, you are asking yes or no question. Okay? So, أهذا بيت؟ نعم، هذا بيت. أهذا بيت؟ نعم هذا بيت. ما هذا؟ هذا قميص. The second note is ma. Ma exactly like what is or what are. So when you ask using ma, it's not a short answer. It's not yes or no question. It is you have to mention the full answer. You are asking about the thing. What is this? ما هذا? What is it? هذا قميص. This is a shirt. أهذا سرير? Is this a bed? لا هذا كرسي. No, it's a chair. أهذا مفتاح? Is this a key? لا هذا قلم. No, it's a pen. ما هذا? What is it? هذا نجم. This is a star. Okay, and now let's start with exercise number 1. What is it? You will look at the pictures and I will give you some times before I answer. Number 1. ما هذا؟ هذا مفتاح. Number 2. ما هذا؟ هذا كتاب. Number 3. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم. Number 4. ما هذا؟ هذا باب. Number 5. ما هذا؟ هذا بيت. Number 6. ما هذا؟ هذا كرسي. Okay, great. Let's move to the second exercise, which is yes or no questions. So we're gonna have the short answer, yes or no. I will let I will have like a pause and you will answer. So the first one is أهذا بيت؟ لا هذا مسجد. Number 2. أهذا مفتاح؟ لا هذا قلم. Number 3. أهذا قميص؟ نعم هذا قميص. Number 5. أهذا نجم؟ نعم هذا نجم. Okay, and now we will move to exercise number 3, which is your homework. You're gonna write these phrases, and if you have a problem with writing any letter in like a certain position, you can ask me to do it. I will teach you how to do it. So let's move to another question, which is who, when you ask about people. So basically, man here is exactly like who, and what is exactly ma. Who is man and what is ma. One for asking for about people, and the second is to ask about things. من هذا? Who is it? هذا طبيب. It's a doctor. He's a doctor. من هذا? هذا ولد. من هذا؟ هذا طالب. And the last one is another. So you can look and differentiate. So أهذا ولد, you can notice this that we talked about, and it's exactly like is this. أهذا ولد, is this a boy? لا هذا رجل. No, it's a man. He's a man. Okay, what I will say also about هذا is هذا is using exactly to refer to a noun, like a name, a person, or a noun that is masculine. Okay, it is not feminine word. It's only male. Okay, so أهذا ولد, is he a boy? لا هذا رجل. No, he's a man. Okay, another way to exercise ma and a and man. The first one is ما هذا؟ هذا مسجد. من هذا؟ Who is he? هذا تاجر. He's a tradesman. هذا كلب. هذا كلب. This is a dog. أهذا كلب? Is this a dog? لا هذا قط. No, it's a cat. Another note about هذا. We don't have it in Arabic. We don't have this in Arabic. So all the words, all the singular words are either like feminine or masculine. So basically we don't have it. Okay? هذا حمار. It's a donkey. أهذا حمار؟ لا هذا حصان. Is this a donkey? No. This is a horse. The last one is وما هذا? And what is it? What's this? هذا جمل. This is a camel. ما هذا? What's this? هذا ديك. This is a rooster. من هذا? Who is he? Who is this? هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. The last one here is أهذا قميص? Is this a shirt? لا هذا منديل. No, it's or this is a tissue. You can notice this exactly like this. This is like this. So this is what we call in Arabic tanween. Whenever you see this tanween, it means, I'm sorry. So yeah, this is what we call in Arabic a tanween. So whenever you see a tanween, which are two dhamma, okay, above the last letter in the word, so it's the word, it is indefinite. Okay, it is exactly like a tissue, mandilon, a book, kitabon, a shirt, qamison. And the last exercise is done by you, which you have to write these questions and answers and statements too. So I'm gonna give you the list of the new words, the words that we covered today with their translation into English, and you're gonna give me your homework, okay? If you have any question, don't hesitate to contacting me. Assalamu alaikum.